everyone, my name is Amira.
And my name is Cori.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're making snow cream.
Tell me a little bit about this recipe.
Well, first you need some white snow.
Some clean white snow.
Yes, and you need some vanilla.
And agave.
And some milk. So,
Blend it.
pour it in.
Then
Put the top
on,
on. Turn it on.
and blend.
Make sure you and pour it in a cup. Drink it. Delicious! Subscribe to our channel and comment down below if it's delicious.